Working pattern has two meanings in garments. Let's explore both today together. Working pattern means technical templates for making garments accurately every time.
Every working pattern starts from a basic block called the sloper template. Designers transform the basic block into unique garment styles with careful pattern modifications. Working patterns include seam, trimming, and shrinkage allowances before production starts smoothly. Technical marks guide sewing accuracy, including darts, pleats, notches, and button placements precisely. Each pattern piece receives labels showing garment size and specific garment section clearly. Factories sew prototype samples first before approving patterns for large-scale manufacturing operations. After fitting tests, revised patterns correct imperfections before final production begins successfully everywhere. Approved production patterns ensure every garment matches quality and measurement standards consistently everywhere. Second meaning covers factory working hours, schedules, shifts, and employee policies every day. Standard factory schedules usually include 8 daily hours across 48 weekly hours together. Employees receive 1 hour rest after completing 5 continuous working hours safely together. Working beyond 8 hours becomes overtime under common garment factory employment rules today. Most factories limit overtime to 2 daily hours and 12 weekly maximum hours.
Overtime wages are generally paid at double ordinary hourly rates for eligible workers.
Many factories operate night shifts, requiring additional safety and transportation support for workers.
Some female workers report nighttime travel concerns, despite available workplace security measures and support. Workers sometimes report demanding conditions, including heat, noise, overcrowding, and limited break opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.